Drones are now used for many things, like delivering packages and making movies. However, they are very noisy, and this is a problem that needs fixing. Engineers are looking at a drawing from 500 years ago by Leonardo da Vinci for a solution. Why are drones so loud? Fast-spinning propellers of drones make a lot of noise. This noise is a big issue for using drones in cities, watching over areas, and protecting wildlife. Current ways to reduce noise include changing the propeller design and using special covers. Da Vinci's aerial screw. In 1493, Da Vinci drew a design for a rotor that looked like a screw meant to screw into the air. Although he never built it, this idea helped start the study of helicopters. He understood how lift worked long before flying machines existed. Modern use of old ideas. Engineers are now looking at rotor systems that are shaped like Da Vinci's design. Some labs are testing rotors that spin slowly and look like corkscrews, which make less noise but still lift well. These new designs might not replace all drones, but they could work well for quiet, slow, or indoor drones. The future of quieter drones. These quieter drones could be very useful for package delivery in cities and for military use. Da Vinci's ideas might help make drones less annoying, safer, and open up new ways to use them. Old ideas meet new technology. Da Vinci also thought of other inventions like parachutes and tanks. Old inventions, such as Archimedes' screws, have also influenced modern designs. Sometimes looking to the past helps us find new solutions for the future. From Da Vinci's sketches to today's drones, his creativity still affects how we design new technology. Innovation never really goes away, just waits for the right time to be used again. Would you trust a 15th century drawing to help your drone? Subscribe for more on future technology with historical roots.